If Monday.com is not working or not loading for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the page is stuck, the app won't open, or certain parts of Monday.com are not responding, these steps can help you get back on track without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing to try is the simplest one. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly. If that doesn't work, go ahead and sign out of your account, then sign back in again. This can reset your session and fix small login or loading issues that may be causing the problem. Next, if Monday.com is still not working, you'll want to clear your browser cache and cookies. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure to select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear. And after that, restart your browser. This step is very important because old stored data can interfere with how Monday.com loads. After that, check your browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers or other add-ons can stop Monday.com from loading properly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that might be blocking scripts or page content, especially ad blockers. Once those are disabled, refresh Monday.com and see if it loads normally. Another helpful fix is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. These tools can sometimes cause connection issues with web apps like Monday.com. Disable the VPN or proxy, then refresh the page and test it again. If it still isn't working, try switching your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot or switch to a different internet connection. This helps you find out whether the issue is related to your network rather than Monday.com itself. By going through these steps one by one, you can usually fix Monday.com not loading or not working without needing anything complicated. If one step doesn't solve it, just move on to the next one until the issue is resolved. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.